YouTube? It's your boy Jakwon, back in another video to Leaf Fashion, and today I got some new pickups, some new kicks, some Patrick Ewings. These are the Vibrant Orange Patrick Ewings. They just dropped, I think a month ago actually. I think I'm a little bit late, but I finally seen them. The Jamaicas just re-released. I said they were probably gonna re-release in one of my older videos, I think, because those are the first Patrick Ewings I bought, and those released in 2013. So they re-released. I might get them. I don't know. Those are my favorite pairs, but I don't know. It's been a while, and I think I've already been through that stage, and I kind of want to just get all the new different designs, because it's my favorite shoe. But yeah, we're gonna open up the Vibrant Orange. Now this is what kind of box it come in. It's the 33 highs. So the Focus is coming in a black box. 33 highs coming in this red and navy blue or dark blue. So let's take off the top, and you'll be greeted with the paper, of course. I've already opened these, so I already seen what they look like. They look crazy, bro. First of all, now if you look right here, you got the Vibrant Orange. First thing you see, 33 high. Now, when I open them, they have a little bit of straight from the factory glue on there. But yeah, so this is like a suede, a little bit. So I had to take it off. But that kind of made me focus on that too much. And then I finally looked at the color, and I was like, yo, these are insane. But it has this suede, soft fabric. Most of my Ewings I always get is always leather, so this is the first time I'm actually touching the suede, a full suede, this part. It's like a nubuck, actually, like a nubuck suede. So it's real light. It's not like a Tim suede. It's if you get these wet or something, you can try to clean them off pretty good. These are perfect for fall. That's why I got these. These gonna be fire. This right here is reflective. If you take a picture with a camera or something, with a flash, it'll be reflective. It'll be glowing like white. If y'all don't know what reflective is. The logo, I wish this was reflective too, but it's okay though. Got the whole orange, just straight orange pumpkin. They should call this pumpkin spice, but it's more vibrant orange. Now in the sun, I know right now it looks like a darker orange, but when the sun hits it, it kind of glows. It's weird. It glows literally. If you have some white shoes and you go outside, it just looks extremely white. You go outside with these in the sun, they just glow like crazy, and it looks like a sun for real. So yeah, these are super dope. This is so I tried them on already. Super comfortable, just like every other Ewing. It's just the colorway and the feel of the whole shoe is, as you see, that nubuck suede. It's not leather. So the only part, it's not really no leather. I don't see no leather on here, to be honest. This is all, yeah, there's no leather on here. Yeah, it's crazy, but yeah. There you go. I'm gonna be getting I wasn't getting the purple ones. I don't know. I kind of like the oranges better because they just have a different type of vibe to them, and more of a fall vibe. I mean, the purple one's cool too, but these will probably be hard to match with, but not that hard compared to the purple ones. And just the color, but I might be, hopefully they pull out some new colorways. I kind of want the OG reds, the suede reds, but I kind of want the black ones. I don't know. I like the colors, full-blown colors like this. I kind of don't like when they mix up too many colors. Now if they can make some all I don't know, just gray. Well, they do have some gray ones. They did have some gray ones. I could have got those, but they had a white bottom, I think. But if they make an all full gray, or if they make it's all yellow, would be cool too. But I think they should make some all yellow Focus. Those would be fire. I really want those. If I customize those, it would be dope. But this is pretty much it with the shoe. Of course it comes with this and the basketball, of course, like every single Ewing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. More videos on the way. Suggest some shoes I should cop, some different brands. It don't matter. Clothing, I should cop from different brands. If you have clothing, you can send it to me. Just email me, link in my bio. Pretty much it. I'll catch you guys later.